I don't yet understand the nature and cause of these proceedings. Do I have that right, sir? If you don't be quiet, I'm going to lock you up.
This edition of the Ridley Report is brought to you by Keene.com.
I'm here by special appearance only under a full representation.
Call first, right?
Sure.
You're here on charge of careless driving. You're also here improper passing. You're also here for tinted windows, no insurance, no seatbelt. How do you plead to those charges, sir?
I'm here by special appearance to challenge the jurisdiction, and furthermore, I don't understand the nature and cause of these proceedings, so I would like to ask a couple of questions so I can properly be able to handle this matter.
Let's start again. This is a traffic court and a criminal court. You have been charged by the police. As a result of the stop, you're innocent until proven guilty with having no seatbelt on. You're charged that as a result of the stop, you had no insurance. Now again, you're innocent until proven guilty, but I'm telling you what the police officer wrote the summons, okay? Then, according to the police officer, you had a tinted window in violation of New Jersey state law. That's 3.
Okay.
And then, he also gave you a ticket for all improper passing and careless driving, and all of this occurred on 12/05/09, which would be December the 5th, 09, at approximately 5:30 p.m. That's what the charge is. In the vicinity of Grace Street and Smith Street in the city of Perth Amboy, state of New Jersey. That's the charge.
Okay.
You're innocent until proven guilty. My next question is, do you have a lawyer, sir?
No, I can speak for myself, sir.
So, I'll enter the pleas of not guilty.
I didn't enter that voluntarily. I don't understand the charges, sir. Do I have the right to understand the nature and cause of these proceedings?
Sir.
I don't yet understand the nature and cause of these proceedings. Do I have that right, sir?
If you don't be quiet, I'm going to lock you up. Don't make a mockery out of my court, or you're going to be going with the other prisoners. I just explained the charges to you. I'm entering a not guilty plea. Not guilty is what I'm entering. I strongly urge you to advise you to get a lawyer. That's what I advise you. But we're not, sir, my advice to you is
I don't understand.
Be quiet.
I don't understand, sir.
Then maybe you should have a driver's license. Maybe sit right down. Maybe I need to take your driver's license away. Send it down to Trenton if you're not competent to understand anything. Then you're not competent to drive at this point.
I just have a couple questions.
So, sit down. Where's again, our number is, this go, 1-866-1449. Please reference number 1-4-4. This is an attempt to collect the debt. Any information obtained can be used for that purpose. This message is from a debt collector. Your driver's license?
I do. It's not on me. It's in my vehicle.
No, that's fine.
My automobile.
Now, here's because he's got a driver's license and maybe driving and endangering the public. He won't respond, and that's not a problem. But when I tell him he's not guilty, and when I tell him that he's got a right to go to trial, and he's just rejecting the whole proceedings, that's fine. I'll give him a new court date, but without your license.
I only have a few questions. That's all. To understand the nature and cause of these proceedings, I have a couple questions. That's all.
I've spoken 3 times this is a court. I told you
I
that
understand
you're
that.
innocent until proven guilty, and I read the charges 3 times. Now I'm telling you that if you think that you can't understand this, and we have such a communication gap, then I don't think you should be on the road with your driver's license right now, and maybe I have an obligation to take it right now and send it to Trenton until I'm satisfied that you don't have some sort of neurological disconnect.
Judge, I'm perfectly capable of driving. I just don't understand the nature of the charges. Not the charges themselves, the nature of the charges, to which I have a couple questions I would like to ask before I can properly defend myself at trial to get to that point. I don't mean to court any disrespect. I just have a couple questions, that's all.
How many times do I have to read? At this point, you're making a mockery.
That's not my intention.
You want me to read the charges again? No seatbelt? You don't understand what a no seatbelt charge is? You don't understand what a no uninsured charge is? I explained to you that you're innocent until proven guilty, and at the time of the stop, the police officer asked for insurance, and for all I know, you may be right, but you're innocent until proven guilty. But it's a charge. It's no seatbelt, no insurance, tinted windows, improper passing, and careless for the 4th time. Now, if there is stuff, and plus all the other stuff you wrote up. Now, if you do not understand where you are, or why you're here, or what's going on, but my problem is, with your driver's license, should I not take it, send it down for administrative review down to Trenton?
I'm fully capable of driving.
You work, sir?
Yes, I do.
Where do you work?
I work in Edison at
So
Dr.
what?
Leonard's, selling catalog products. I have a job. I commute every day. I just don't understand the nature of these charges. Not the charges themselves. What I don't understand the nature of them. To which I have a couple questions, and that's all.
Can I cross on that side for a minute? Look, I'm going to say one thing. I don't need the bench. See, here's where you're looking. I have to go to Woodbridge now. There's going to be another judge coming on this bench. And I'm telling you right now, you better get yourself a lawyer, and you better prepare to defend yourself. What the decision I'm going to let Judge Leonard make is whether or not I should take your license, because you're really frightening me that there's such a neurological or problem, a disconnect. You shouldn't be behind a wheel. You shouldn't even be in shoes, no less behind a wheel. But, well, I'm ready to lock them up.
He found you not guilty. Right, but I have to understand the nature and cause of the proceedings against me. And to do that, I have a couple questions.
Uninsured motorist, that means no insurance.
Right.
You got a seatbelt ticket?
Yes.
You understand that, right? You weren't wearing your seatbelt.
I know what the tickets contain, yes.
Okay.
I have questions about the nature.
What do you mean the nature? I don't
The
understand.
nature.
I'm with them.
Yeah, stand over there. The witness.
Stand over there. Over there.
Stand over there. You're not allowed to witness?
No.
No, okay. I have questions about the proceedings, so I can properly defend myself if it goes to trial. I just have simple questions. I just want to answer those
What's your
questions.
question?
Number 1, are these proceedings governed under admiralty, equity, or common law? Number 2, are these traffic infractions a civil or criminal action? Number 3, is there evidence of a complaining or damaged party? These are simple questions that I just want to answer the judge.
You know what, dude?
He's being
Don't
very...
decide, you need to get an attorney.
I'll answer them. Which one's the first one? The first one, are these proceedings governed under... you're a police officer with... Go ahead, Dave. Ask me the questions. Are these proceedings governed under admiralty, equity, or the common law? Common law, okay. Are these traffic infractions civil or criminal? Criminal. Okay.
Well, traffic is not considered a criminal statute in the state of New Jersey. It's just criminal and traffic, so it's traffic only. No criminal record whatsoever.
Traffic infractions fall under civil or criminal, so is it civil or criminal action?
Criminal.
Criminal? Okay, so if it's a criminal action, are these charges in the nature of a breach of contract, or is there a damaged party?
The damaged party would be the state of New Jersey.
Okay, is there evidence of a complaining or damaged party?
Whoever the officer was that signed the complaint.
The officer is the witness, correct?
He's the one that signed the complaint.
Right. So is he the damaged party?
The state is. The state of New Jersey.
If there is a damaged party, I would like to see the verified complaint signed under penalty of perjury. And if the state of New Jersey, correct, is the damaged party,
Right.
then I would like to see evidence of the existence of the damaged party. In other words, the evidence, not who the complaint party is, but evidence
I understand
of
what
the
you're saying.
existence of such. And I want these questions answered by the judge so I can properly defend myself.
The judge here is governed by the administrative law judge in New Brunswick.
Okay.
But wait, I'm not done talking yet. For you to do that, you have to request a copy of a copy of the taped proceedings here. Okay. When those proceedings are given to you, they are given to the head, like judge of all the municipal court judges. He is the one who reviews everything, and he is the one that will be answering the questions to you the way you want to be answered. But to do that, it's a complicated way to request those recordings, and there's a fee. That's what the judge said. If you would, the best way, which we tell everybody, if they want to get copies of the recordings, is to get an attorney, because there's a legal way to go about it.
Why is the judge avoiding my question?
Because he's the judge and he can't do that.
So he's not bound by anything except his own discretion?
That's right. Unfortunately, that's what it is. And he has a boss, the judge that's going to hear the transcripts.
Right.
If he decides in your favor, good for you. If he complies with...
How would I be entitled to a fair hearing and a meaningful hearing if I can't get any answers to any questions? How is that possible?
With an attorney.
With an attorney. Well, an attorney is an officer of the court, whose first duty is to the court.
No. The attorney is the one you hire.
Right, but an attorney is the officer of the court.
The prosecutor...
Attorneys are licensed by the state to practice law. Is that correct?
Nope.
That's not correct.
Nope. Not to practice law outside. This is not in the courtroom, in the court building. There's just two. There's the judge, there's the prosecutor, and then there's the public defender. Those are the three people who are associated with the court. Everyone else is like a private attorney.
Okay, so to be an attorney, do you have to be a member of the bar association?
I believe so. I have no knowledge of that.
Okay, so in other words, you have to be licensed by the state.
I don't have the knowledge for that. You have to contact a lawyer.
Okay, these are questions. I mean,
okay.
I just, like I said, I'm just being reasonable. I just had a couple questions for the judge, and he's being...
Well, he doesn't have to answer.
He seems very violent.
He really doesn't have to answer you. No.
He seems like a very violent...
The only other person that could talk to you would be an attorney of your own. That represents you and your interests.
I can speak for myself. I won't be getting an attorney.
That's up to you then. But now since I wasn't in here, what did he say about your tickets? Were they dismissed or what?
He didn't say anything. Well, he just said he was telling me what I'm charged with. He wanted me to answer. I told him that I'm here by special appearance, which legally means I'm here to challenge the jurisdiction of the court.
Okay.
And I had a couple questions because I don't understand the charges, and I have the right to understand the nature and cause of these proceedings against me.
Well, he said he explained it to you, so I got to go. Well,
I didn't understand. I didn't ask any questions.
Well, then you have to. Well, like he said, your best bet get an attorney represent you. If you can't afford one, public defender.
Right. I will not be getting an attorney.
All right. They don't. Then your matter's going to be rescheduled. So
it's going to be rescheduled by another judge.
I don't know. You might be here, might be someone else. There's 3 or 4 judges that working for
okay, because
it'll probably about 3 weeks.
Okay, because the judge seems very violent.
If you don't want to deal with him, I can have him be set for another judge if you want.
Another judge? I can get a judge. Okay, how would I go about getting a different judge?
Nothing. Just go home and it'll be scheduled for a different time.
Okay, because this judge seems to have some kind of personal, I don't know.
Okay, enough talking here. They got to talk to you, Bob. They got to go down that way now. Go down this way? Go down that way now. Go for it. So that would be the best.
Okay, so this hearing here today is over.
It's done.
It's done, so it's being rescheduled?
For about 3 or 4 weeks.
And I will get something in the mail?
Same address that's on the tickets, with the same address you live at now? That's what
okay, and they're going to, do I have to request a different judge, or will it automatically?
I will take care of that.
Do that for me, because he seems like a very violent individual, and he's not willing to answer any reasonable questions that I have. So I don't feel like I'm getting a fair and meaningful hearing.
Okay, and we'll give you another judge then.
Okay.
All right then?
And hopefully the next judge won't be as violent and vicious with me.
That won't be a problem. Would you prefer a morning session or a night session? What's better for you?
Preferably a night session. Preferably a night session. That would be possible. I mean, do I seem like a reasonable individual?
You're asking questions that I can't answer.
I mean, from a personal perspective, do I seem like a reasonable... I just have a couple questions, that's it. And he's yelling at me in this belligerent, violent manner.
See, that's your opinion. That's not mine, that's not his. So that's where we're at right now.
Okay, so I can just make sure I can get a different judge, because this guy really...
Not a problem. As long as your address is correct, then we'll reschedule it for about 3 to 4 weeks, and we'll do it on another night. other than the circumstance.
Okay, so am I not going to get, there's going to be no warrant on the record, there's going to be no warrant, I'm going to get something in the mail.
Just ask for his room.
Okay, what is your name, sir? Officer. Okay, it was nice meeting you, thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Take care. Have a good night.
This program is brought to you by FreeKeene.com. FreeKeene.com features audio, video, and blogs chronicling the transition to a voluntary society. FreeKeene.com also has comments and discussion forums so you can be heard. FreeKeene.com.